Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Each and every one of you who has subscribed so far, and if you subscribed today, I thank you too. In today's video, I am showing you how I make or I do my hair, so into a messy bun or top knot, whatever you want to call it. I get a lot of compliments from people or like my YouTube friends and people on here, but also in real life too. So I thought I'd show you how I make it, and it literally is the easiest thing to do. So I thought I'd share with you how I create this. So all you'll need is a hairband and then grips, or bobby pins as most of you probably call them. So I've got straight hair, but you can have curly hair, whatever hair you've got, straight hair, whatever. You don't have to have straight hair for this, and it probably actually goes a bit better when it is natural. This is not brushed, nothing, it's just yesterday's straightened hair. It's why it's straight, and I'm just going to put it up in a bun now, and I've not even brushed it, so this is just bed hair ready to go. And all you need to do is get your hairband ready and then put your hair up. Try and get this the best as I can. Okay, so see, you can see the hairband's ready to go. So I've not put it round the ponytail yet. I just twist my hair around, and then when it's fully around everywhere, I literally just put the hairband in place. Like so. And that's how it looks like, just natural. So you could wear it like that if you wanted, but what I do is, because I've got little bits of hair at the back, I just put a clip in the back to keep that down, and then I just clip with my grips where I want it to sit down a bit more, or secure like flyaways. I've got a mirror behind me if you're new and don't know that. And that's pretty much neat and how I have it. I'm just going to put one in this side to secure that bit. And then one up here, because my hair has got a lot of layers in it. Falls out by the time it's at the back. Okay, and there we have how I do my top knot or messy bun. You can see I've got a bit coming out here, so that's when I would tweak it a little bit. But it's easy as that. This has took me 5 minutes to film. Well, it's less than that actually, because I filmed the intro but differently. But this is it. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to recreate this, you don't have to have as long as hair as me. If you've got longer, then it just twirls around a bit more. Shorter, it just twirls a little bit less. But you can do this with shorter hair, because when I've had shoulder length hair, I can still do it. And it's just easy way, and I wear this to go in the bath, or I even wear this out now because it's super easy to do and create, and actually looks really cute, like you've made an effort but really you've just got out of bed. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you would wear this style in your hair or like to try it. Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching, bye.